Understanding the difference between posts and pages in WordPress is crucial for you to be able to create posts, create pages, and manage your content over a long period of time. By the end of this, you will understand key differences and use cases for posts versus pages. You will understand purpose and use case. You will understand timelines and data relevance. You will understand navigation and organization. You will understand structure and hierarchy, content lifecycle, SEO considerations, and more. So, a quick comparison between posts versus pages. If it's time sensitive, it should be a post. If it's displayed in a blog or a feed, it should be a post. If it's organized by categories or tags, it should be a post. If it's static content, it should be a page. If it can be nested beneath other pages, it should be a page. If it's evergreen content that will be relevant over a long period of time, it should be a page. If you want to show the author or the date, it should be a post. If you want great SEO and blog traffic, you should create a post and a page. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.